Hi, Hugh here from DayTradeSPY. So when I do my morning market analysis, there are several things I look at, several key things that I look at to determine market direction and strength. Of course, we talk a lot about technical analysis, but there's this thing called fundamental analysis. And I also look at this other thing I call my market sentiment or emotional flow. I want to see, is the market generally in a good mood or in a bad mood? But as far as fundamental analysis, I think it's very important. What we're going to do here, I actually have a very special webinar tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Please take an hour, maybe not even an hour, out of your time and get into this webinar because we're going to launch our special fundamental analysis workshop coming up in a few days. It's going to be very exciting. And we're going to talk about what news sources I use to determine that information that I need, how to discern what news is going to be market moving and which news items you can discard because it's not important. You're going to find out the seasonality of certain events that present themselves, some key market moving events that take place on a regular basis, ways to determine market sentiment and that emotional flow, and also a lot of other things that I think you're going to be very excited about. So please join us tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when we're going to launch this very special workshop, Fundamental Analysis Workshop. I think this is very key to determining market direction and strength. I know I use this all the time, and that is one real reason why I have such amazing success on the market when I present this to you every morning. So, folks, please click on the link to register, and I'll see you online.